khi tân tổ đặt nhớ tràn
từ radio time,
đặt khi tân tổ đặt nhớ tràn
Hello and welcome to week 24 of Radio Kai. We hope you enjoyed last week's show.
With our interview with Olgan, that was good, wasn't it, Don?
Yeah.
So this week we got all our usual features, such as a mystery song, where you have to guess 5 different songs, and we play them from 5 different decades. We got birthdays and Oshan's new history feature with Oshan. We don't know what he's going to be talking about yet, so we'll wait and see, won't we, Don?
Yeah.
We also got Corey Smith on the piano. It's always a mystery which songs he plays. We got your news and sports updates with Ethan, Max and Peter. And also we got an interview with a member of SCAF this week. We are interviewing someone from school this week, aren't we, Don?
Yeah.
We are interviewing Anne Harrod from Cynradd Tregar. Okay, so we are going to start off with something from the 60s this week. And we are going to start off with Hard Day's Nights by the Beatles. We hope you enjoy this. Will you enjoy it, Don?
Yeah.
So we hope you all enjoy A Hard Day's Nights by the Beatles.
It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night, I should be sleeping like a log. But when I get home to you, I find the things that you do will make me feel alright. You know I work all day to get your money to buy a thing, and it's worth it just to hear you say you're gonna give me everything. So why on earth should I moan? 'Cause when I get you alone, you know I feel okay. When I'm home, everything seems to be right. When I'm home, feeling you holding me tight, tight, yeah. It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night, I should be sleeping like a log. But when I get home to you, I find the things that you do will make me feel alright. So why on earth should I moan? 'Cause when I get you alone, you know I feel okay. When I'm home, everything seems to be right. When I'm home, feeling you holding me tight, tight, yeah. It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night, I should be sleeping like a log. But when I get home to you, I find the things that you do will make me feel alright. You know I feel alright. You know I feel alright.
Now we got our mystery song feature, where we play out 5 different songs from 5 decades, and you have to guess which songs they are.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery voice. Mystery voice.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
And it's flaming, I don't know which way to go.
Number 3 for this week.
Out along the edge, it's always where I burn to be.
Song number 4 week.
We are young, we get by, don't go mad, ain't got time.
Song number 5 this week.
Okay, so we hope you got all our sound effects The next song is I'm Still Standing by Elton John.
You can never know what it's like. Your blood like winter freezes just like ice. And there's a cold and lonely light that shines from you. You wind up like the wreck you hide behind that mask you use. And did you think this fool could never win? Well, look at me, I'm coming back again. I got a taste of love in a simple way. And if you need to know while I'm still standing, you just fade away. Don't you know I'm still standing better than I ever did? Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. And I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Once I never could have hoped to win. You're starting down the road and leaving me again. The threats you made were meant to cut me down. And if my love was just a circus, you'd be a clown by now. No, I'm still standing better than I ever did. Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't you know that I'm still standing better than I ever did? Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 I'm still standing.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
The last song was I'm Still Standing by Elton John. But now we got the birthday, so we're going to do the usual. So, birthday, and then I'll tell you the answers after the birthday. Or after the history. Oh yeah, by the way, my new feature is called History from now on. So I hope you enjoy it. The first one for this week is... Sorry, Islin, but I'm going to do it anyway. So the first one for this week is... She is a TV show host, and she lives in Bath, England. She is 90 years old, and she is an English author and television host who has written more than 70 acclaimed food books. Well done. She also the host of her own BBC Two show. Well done. She contracted poliomyelitis as a teenager, which resulted in a 3-month hospital stay. She was ranked as the second best dressed person over 50 by The Guardian in 2013. She married Paul John Mark Honig in 1966. They had 3 children together. She and Paul Howard have both been judges on the Great British Bake Off. So, yeah, that's all for the number 1 for this week is. The number 2 for this week is that he is entrepreneur that lives in London, England. He is 78 years old. He is a self-made billionaire known as the Sugar Lord, who became the star of BBC version of reality show The Apprentice. He was the chairman of Tottenham Hotspur from 1991 until 2001, and he founded the electronics firm Amstrad Alan Michael Sugar Trading. Oh yeah, also I watched Apprentice and it's really good. Everyone, you should watch it. It's really good. He dropped.
Watch it one day, Don.
Yeah, watch it one day. He dropped out of high school and began selling electronics out of a van. He was knighted in 2000 and ranked 89 in Sunday Times Rich List 2011. He married his wife Anne, who he met age 17 in age 17. That's same age as me. In April 1968. He has two sons, Simon and Daniel, and daughter Louise. His apprentice counterpart in the United States was Donald. Oh God, not him. Donald Trump. In the bin. Word for this week of the birthday is he is a rock singer. He lives in London, England. That he is 77 years old. Wow, 77 years old. So he's a rock and roll legend who has sold over 2,000 albums. Millions albums. In a career that spanned over 50 years. He's best known for such hit songs as Rocket Man, Teeny Dancer, Benny and the Jets, and Candle in the Wind. In 2019, we released the film Rocket Man based on his life. Obviously, there's more hits like What, Dion and Dolan? What hit is this person?
He sings I'm Still Standing as well, doesn't he?
I'm
We just
still-
had that earlier.
I'm Still Standing. Well, that's a brilliant song. I hope you enjoyed that earlier on. So, he began playing the piano at age of 3 and won a junior scholarship to the Royal Academy of Music. Dion Dillon, you can't even do the piano or the drum age of 3.
No,
he can.
No.
How
We're
good
learning
is he?
Drums and piano, aren't we?
Yeah?
With Neil and Jamie each Friday, yeah, Don?
Yes. He performed at Prince Diana's funeral at Westminster Abbey in 1997, and he was knighted by Queen Elizabeth II. So, like I said, Queen Elizabeth died last year, wasn't it? Wasn't it last year? Queen Elizabeth died, Dion?
No.
What is it? The week after, 2023?
2022 it was, yeah, Don?
Yes, 2022. I forget what I just told you.
8th of September 2022.
Yes, in 2022, in 1998, Elizabeth got this person is knighted. He married Renata Ballot on February 14th in 1984 and they divorced on November 18th. Oh my God, that's creepy. Day after my birthday, they got divorced, Renata Ballot, in 1988. He then married David Furness on December 21, 2014. He has two sons named Zakaria, and Elijah, if you can say that. In 1974, he collaborated with John Lennon. John Lennon, imagine, actual song, imagine, on a rendition of Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds. Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds by the Beatles. That's a brilliant song. Isn't it, everyone in this room? Dion, Dolan, Ethan. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it the one me for Nicholson?
Yes, it is. Oh, yes, it is. It's a brilliant, isn't it? So, yeah. Number 4 for this week is apparently she's a pop singer. She lives in... Oh, my God. No. That's totally wrong, isn't it? Totally wrong, sorry. Birthdays, famous birthdays, that website I'm on. Apparently she live in New York City in America. Apparently she is 38 years old. She born in Stephanie Joanne Angelina Germanonta, if you can say that properly. She became the first recording artist in history to have 3 singles sell over 4 million copies each online. Her best-known songs including Georgia, Bad Romance and Solo in 2018. She started as Ali in remake of A Star Is Born alongside Bradley Cooper. She attended school at the convent of Sacred Heart and played Adelaide at her high school production of Guys and Dolls. Guys and Dolls? I don't like dolls. That's for girls, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is, isn't it, Dion? Since releasing her debut album, The Fame, in 2018, she has won multiple Grammy Awards and has become known for fashion stunts, including wearing a meat dress to the 2010 MTV Music Video Awards. She was born in Joseph at International Business and Confia, a telecommunication assistant. She has a sister named Natalie. In 2011, she began dating actor Taylor Kinney, but got engaged in February 2015, but eventually called the wedding off in July 2016. In 2018, she got engaged to talent agent Christine Carino, but the two split in 2019. Haven't guessed, didn't you? In 2020, she began dating Michael Polanski. In July 2024, it was confirmed that the couple was engaged. Again, she once appeared on the TV series The Hill, which starred Lauren Conrad. Goodness me. And this birthday is just for Mr. Williams, Aled Williams. So I hope you're going to enjoy it. Pop singer that lives in Huntington, America again. She is 55 years old, pop artist who gained fame for hits like Vision of Love, Touch My Body and Shake It Off. She became a Columbia Records to recorded artist in early 1990, Zero, and her 1995 single One Sweet Day with Boys Second Man set a record by speeding 16 weeks at the top of Billboard Hot 100 chart. Also, a Christmas song like, what is it again, Dion? Christmas song?
All I Want for Christmas?
All I Want for Christmas. She got fired third from the string of waitress jobs and would listen to the radio under her covers when she was unhappy. She became known for her 5-octave vocal range, and her hit single We Belong Together became the second longest running first song in US chart history. She was married to Tommy Motel from June 1993 until March 1980. She married, bloody hell, got two, Nick Cannon on April 30th, 2018. She and Nick had a son named Moroccan and daughter named Monra. Businessman James Packer in 2016. Oh my hell. In 2016, she began dating Brian Tanaka. They are now their separation late 2023. Oh my goodness. Again, like last one. So, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that. Just for you, Mr. Williams. And so now, if you don't know, I'll do a history about a play. So, like I said last week, it's a surprise. So, if you looked back on last week, I said which way I'm going to go in one of them. So, I said 3 places where I'm going to go last week, yeah? So, I'll go in one of those now. So, I'm going all the way to Ireland. And also, I'm going to say the answers to the birthdays after the history,
Ireland.
by the way.
That's going to sound fun, isn't it, Dawn?
Yeah.
Ireland.
Isn't it even? Welcome to Ireland today.
And guess what?
1,1600 millimeter gauge tracks.
And guess what? People been to Ireland. Actually, should I just say everyone been to Ireland that's on this radio, people? Dion, you been there?
Yes.
Dawn, you been there?
No.
Oh my goodness, Dawn haven't been there. Ethan, have you been there?
No.
Ethan haven't been there. Well, obviously I've been there. I've been everywhere single. So, Ireland, if you don't know, is an island in Ireland, in Europe, that by UK, that from Dublin, there's Galloway, there's Belfast, Cork. I know, not Coca-Cola, it's Cork, by the way. The Republic of Ireland occupied most of the island of Ireland, of coast of England plus Wales and Holyhead. By Holyhead, by the way, its capital Dublin is the birthplace of writers like Oscar Wilde and home of Guinness beer, like Ethan gonna have when he's 18. Is that right?
No.
Boring.
I'm going to have some in the future.
I
No.
bet you do, Dion. The 9th century book of Kells and other illustrated manuscripts are on sale in Dublin Trinity College Library, dubbed in the Emerald Isles, or its lush landscape. The country is inundated with castles like medieval Cahal Castle. And is Ireland a part of the UK or not? Everyone's wondering.
No.
Northern Ireland, which is part of the United Kingdom. Hold on a second. Northern Ireland is a part of the UK. Did not know that. I've been there twice, 3, 4. Will I just say I've been there a lot of times, shall we? And you too, yeah, Dion?
Yeah.
Yes. By the way, you know what I'm going to say now? Me and Dion, been there, done that many times. What are the 5 facts about Ireland, everyone say? Well, Ireland is the most successful country in the Eurovision Song Contest. Halloween was invented in Ireland. Hold on! Halloween invented in Ireland?
Never knew that.
No, even me. Ireland has the largest number of red-haired people of any country in the world. Ireland is the only country in the world to have a musical instrument as its national symbol. Wow. So, the capital's Dublin. Well, it's Belfast, obviously, but been there, done that. It's a good place, because I'm going to talk about only one thing in Belfast that's interesting to everyone. Titanic Museum. Titanic Museum is a museum got like a museum about Titanic stuff that in the future, in the last, before Titanic sink. So, you go there, and I'm not going to tell you anything about the museum actually, because, again, can't tell you that, you have to go there yourself. So, from Holyhead, it's 4 hours and 5 minutes. Is that right there, Dion? 4 hours and 5 minutes?
What?
Is that right?
Yeah.
Because you've been there, didn't you?
Yeah.
Well, if there's anyone else who haven't been there, yeah, tell me. Have you been there?
No.
You want to go there?
To Ireland?
Yeah.
You want to go there?
No.
You want to go there to see trains?
Yeah.
There you go then. So you want to go then, do you? Exactly. Great question. So there is Guinness there
Of course it's Guinness.
that apparently Dion will be drinking a lot of. Is that right?
In the future.
In the future?
no.
Hell no. No, not now. Thank you very much, Dion. Just do me a favour. Don't drink it until you're 18. Well, so, everyone, about food there. Oh, they speak Ireland. That is Gaelic, got English, got Irish. Irish soda bread, comforting aroma of Irish soda bread. Welcome you after stepping foot into an Irish bakery. About food, by the way. Top 12 must try in Irish. That apparently, bet you me, I ate all of it. Dion ate it all, probably. So I got Irish stew. Have you got that, Dion? Stew.
Oh yes, Irish stew.
It's nice, isn't it? Ulster fry, whatever is that. Colcanon mass and champ. A bear? Mass and champ? What's that all about? So apparently, potato fowlers or potato bread apparently there. An Irish white pudding that Ethan don't like. Is that right, Ethan? You don't like white pudding? Exactly.
I love white pudding.
Yeah, snap. Bacon and cabbage plus coddle. Coddle! Oh yeah, coddle. What's that all about? There's no food. Exactly. So, how many pubs are there in Ireland for, you need to know? About 6,680 pubs. I did not know that myself, so you're doing a great job if you want to know that. Anyway, so moving on for the answers for the birthdays now, shall we? So, now the birthdays this week is the answer. The first one for this week is, sorry, Isley again, Isley. I think it's going to be Mary Berry for the first one. Sorry, Isley. I want to do it because I really want to do it. It's really good. So, Mary Berry's the first one. A TV show host that I got that Bake Off. She's 90 years old. So, the second one for this week is Alan Sugar from Apprentice. That is 78 years old. The third one for this week is Elton John, that is, again, 77 years old, from, again, the same place on Alan Sugar, London, England. And I think everyone knows this one, Lady Gaga, that is 38 years old. So, yes, and all for this is just, the next one is number 5. Just for Mr. Williams, Mariah Carey, pop singer, that live in Huntington, America, 55 years old. So, I hope you enjoyed the history as well, Ireland history about. So, next week is going to be, can't tell you, it's a surprise. And actually, I won't tell you on this radio either. It's a surprise, isn't it, boys?
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yes, isn't it, Ethan? And I think I'm going to get Ethan on this history lesson next week because I need some help about the trains. That's all I know. That's all I'm going to tell you, everyone, about the trains that I'm going to do. But I can't tell you where because obviously it's going to be a surprise. So I hope you're going to be excited for that, Ethan, are we?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So I'll see you next week. The next song is for this week is I'm Coming Home by Tom Jones. I'm coming home from Tom Jones. So I hope you're going to be enjoying this I'm Coming Home by Tom Jones, and I'll see you next week on this Radio Kai. Bye for today, and I'll see you next week on the birthdays again. Bye for now, everyone.
I'm coming home to your loving heart, to the one that I once threw away and broke apart. I want you, I need you. A chance is all I'm asking now. I must get back to you somehow. So I am coming home to you. 'Cause I am nothing without you. Maybe you found somebody new, but I'm still coming home to you. Please let me stay and forget your pride. Now my world is falling round me. I got nowhere to hide. I want you, I need you. I know it's true, I made you cry. Then like a fool, I said goodbye. Now I am coming home to you. Yes, life is nothing without you. Maybe you found somebody new.
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan. Welcome back to Great American Railroad Journeys. We're going from Grand Central Terminal in New York City to Chicago's Union Station via the iconic water level route. Starting at Grand Central Terminal, walk to New York Penn and hop on the Lakeshore Limited to Chicago. Now rewind back to the 1940s and the water level route was busier than ever with the New York Central Railroad at the helm. As passengers and freight trains are going to and from New York and Chicago, like the 20th Century Limited, the Pacemaker, the Empire State Express, the Chicagoan, the Commodore Vanderbilt, and more. All led by famous locomotives like the J-Class Hudsons, L-Class Mohawks, and onto locos of note. This massive loco will take the cake. Let's start. The locos had a 4A four-wheel arrangement, more commonly called a Northern type. There are 27 built, one S1A, number 6000, 25 S1Bs, 6001 to 6025, and an S2A, number 5500. They have huge 100-inch boilers, making them 15 feet 2 3/4 inches tall, as the New York Central has 15 feet 2 inches loading gauge east of Buffalo. They had large PT-5 tenders carrying 46 tons of coal and 80,000 US gallons of water, and all of them were built by Alco at their Schenectady works in Schenectady, New York. Now where are we? Oh yeah, rewind back to 1893, and you're on the Empire State Express, led by the Queen of Speed, the New York Central and Hudson River Railroad, number 999. with huge 86.5-inch diameter driving wheels. It allegedly, and I did say allegedly, go 112.5 miles per hour. Although I cannot confirm it. I doubt about that, as that has never been confirmed due to the lack of speedometers. But today you're on the Lakeshore Limited, meaning you don't have the luxury of the 1940s, nor the speed of 1893. Once at Chicago, because the services were axed in the 1960s, with some inherited by Amtrak. Once at Chicago, explore some attractions and remember the water level route's iconic trains. The journey will take 19 hours and 57 minutes and it costs £220, or £1.34 in 1893, or £4.40 in 1947. The locus of note answer is the New York Central's Niagaras. Next up, we got Corey's feature, but before we do that, see the legendary 999 at the Chicago Museum of Science and Industry. It had the 70-inch drivers than the 86.5-inch ones it originally had.
Okay, so unfortunately, Corey cannot be here with us this week for his feature because he's in Coleg Menai for the day. Good luck for you there, Corey. We'll be filling a gap in today with an old recording. So we will pick the recording and we'll play it for you here on Radio Kai.
Today I'm going to be playing Chapel Roan's Good Luck Babe. I hope you enjoy.
Thanks for that, Corey.
Guess the year.
Developer Woodland. Thank you, Corey, for this week's song on the piano. And now we are moving on to our Guess the Year quiz. This is our music news. And here's the latest of what happened in this year. So, Oasis has signed a recording contract with certain records. That is good news for them, isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
Hope Liam Gallagher goes well with that, yeah, Alton?
Brilliant, yes.
Yes, and our second bulletin we got here today is Elton John. He has forced to end his concerts in Melbourne. Why gone?
There was grasshopper trading the state.
Don't know why they would be giving up, because that is a bad thing to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
News from
Invading
around the
the
school.
concert with grasshoppers.
Yeah.
Hope Elton John is okay after that. Yeah. And also today, Rick Astley's retiring from the music industry at age 27. Now that's a bit early to retire, isn't it, Dylan?
Yeah.
27 years old. How early that is. And he sold 40 million records in a 5-year period. That's amazing, isn't it? So our next song is for Mr. T here. And what is the song, Dylan?
Back in Black.
By who?
APT.
Okay, so we're playing Back in Black by AC/DC next here on Radio Kime. Just for Mr. T.
News from around the school.
Hey everyone, Ethan here with news from around the school. First up, Canada and Conrad Padua went to Talasan Farm on Monday. Good goal, you Kane Tree have been there last week. Second up, Joseph and Kent Dye went to Bluestone for a holiday. What's it down there, bud? Next up, Lacey and Lucy went to see the new Snow White movie. We all know that Disney remakes kinda suck, but this one would definitely take the cake back. Next up, we got Kai rugby team going to Colwyn Bay for a Six Nations rugby. Of course, that is the case. Then we got Big J's rugby from 3:15 to 4:15 p.m. and then Youth Club from 6:30 to every Thursdays from 6:30 to 8:30. Yada yada yada. The next song is "We Will Rock You" by Queen.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place, singing, We will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street. Gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, a big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. We will rock you. Sing it out. We will rock you. Buddy, you're an old man, poor man, pleading with your eyes. Gonna make you zombie someday. You got mud on your face, big disgrace. Somebody better put your bag into your place. We will rock you. Sing it. We will rock you. Everybody, we will rock you. We will rock you. All right.
Okay, so now we are moving on to our mystery song and guess year answers for this week. And our year for this year was gone.
1993.
So our year for this year was 1993. Okay, so our 60s song for this week was gone.
The Afternoon by Tink.
And our 70s song was Burning Love by Elvis Presley. And our 80s song was Max. Danger Zone by Kenny Loggins. And our 90s song was Usher.
Right, Super Rap.
And our naughty song was Hey Ya by Outkast. Okay, so I wonder who won the leaderboard for this week. And this week, if you remembered, was a football quiz, wasn't it, Max?
Yep.
So we're moving on to Usher now, and we are going to see who won the leaderboard for this week. Take it away, Usher.
Thank you, Jonathan, for guess the year answers. and the mystery song answers. Now we got the leaderboard, and this week is, if you remember, it's a football quiz that football player this week, isn't it? So, first one of this week is number 8. Got Kindai, and we also got with none point Kintina, Kunavdaya, and we got 0 out of 20 they got. Number 7 for this week is Kunav Pimp. They got 1 out of 20. 6 for this week is Canal Die. They got 7 out of 20. And Shoiva got 7 out of 20. And Mr. Hill got 7 out of 20. Number 5 for this week is Kane Teen. They got 10 out of 20. Well done, you. Number 4 for this week is Canarian. They got 11 out of 20. Well done. Number 3 for this week is Canariana. They got 14 out of 20. Number 2 for this week is Kuna Petral. They got 16 out of 20. And the first one for this week is well done you for 17 out of 20. Does anyone know who this class is? Well, I'll tell you. Dwayne Wen, they got 17 out of 20.
Good job, Dwayne Wen.
Good job, yes.
Yeah, done. Good job, Dwayne Wen.
Yes.
Good job, Dwayne Wen. Yeah, Ethan.
Yeah, that's a good job.
Well done, Dwayne Wen, for 17 out of 20. For next week it's going to be a surprise, actually. We won't tell you what it is next week. Won't we, Dion and Dolan plus Ethan?
It's a surprise each week, isn't it, Dawn and Ethan?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Next one for this week is You're Welcome by Moana. What do you say except you're welcome? It's a request by Mrs. Hill's Music. I hope you enjoy this Moana song. You're welcome.
And thank you.
You're welcome, Ethan.
Okay. I see what's happening, yeah. You're face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. Well, it's nice to see that humans never change. Open your eyes, let's begin. Yes, it's really me, it's Maui, breathe it in. I know it's a lot, the hair, the bod. When you're staring at a demigod, what can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demiguy. Hey, what has 2 thumbs and pulled up the sky? When you were waddling, yay, hide this guy. When the nights got cold, who stole you fire from down below? You're looking at him, yo. Oh, also I lassoed the sun. You're welcome to stretch your days and bring you fun. Also I harnessed the breeze. You're welcome to fill your sails and shake your trees. So what can I say except you're welcome? For the islands I pulled from the sea. There's no need to pray, it's okay, you're welcome. Ha! I guess it's just my way of being me. You're welcome, you're welcome. Well, come to think of it, kid, honestly I could go on and on. I could explain every natural phenomenon. The tide, the grass, the ground. Oh, that was Maui just messing around. I killed an eel, I buried its guts. Sprouted a tree, now you got coconuts. What's the lesson? What does it take away? Don't mess with Maui when he's on a breakaway. And the tapestry here in my skin is a map of the victories I win. Look where I've been, I make everything happen. Look at them, me, mini Maui, just look at that. Well, anyway, let me say you're welcome. For the wonderful world you know. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. Well, come to think of it, I gotta go. Hey, it's your day to say you're welcome. 'cause I'm gonna need that boat. I'm sailing away, away. You're welcome, 'cause my weekend do everything but float. You're welcome, you're welcome, and thank you.
Hey everyone, Ethan here with news from around the world. First up, Johnny Halliday's missing car has been sold for £110,000. Good golly, an old thing had returned. I hope it goes into a museum and be converted to look like a regular car of the 30s. Second up, Canada is having a snap election. Thanks to the news premier at the time, then Canada gets an election, which meant we and the Canadians will decide who's the next Prime Minister. So Canadians, you better get to those polling stations. And next up, Brisbane has planned a new 63,000-seater stadium for the 2032 Olympics. Holy smokes, that would big Man U's new stadium to the punch. Next up, we got Max and Peter with the sports updates, and then we'll move on to Streets of Philadelphia by Bruce Springsteen.
Hello. I'm Peter. This is Zero Capabilities Mass. So, this is just a story. So, this week the story is the next F1 race in the Cannes race track. And one of the second that's the week 2. Why was it England? It's the England versus Ireland. And one versus Scottish. Now, we have a mystery player now. So, do you know what it is? So, Chelsea plus Lahula. It is the crew. 10 letter. The first letter A. The fifth letter, the D. So the C doesn't get that correct. Who did that right? So in the basketball, the matches with the thing, which is that. In the concussion, the second 90 with the territory. Okay, here's your answers. To know your answers, it's a good ready. The first answer is A, is a fitted naturals, a D. And that is answer this. The next week, the mystery player. But what you can order and what easy to you don't know yet. So see that the next time. It's goodbye to Peter. It's goodbye to Bye.
Okay, so you just heard the Streets of Philadelphia by Bruce Springsteen on the Radio Kite. Now we are moving on to our interview for this week.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
This week it's Angharad from Cynradd Tria. Hello Angharad, how are you today?
Helo, hogia, dwi'n iawn, diolch. Ych chi'n iawn?
Yndan, diolch.
Hello,
Okay, go on.
Angharad.
Hey there.
Hi.
Okay, so our first question we got here for you today is, how's your HLTA course going on?
Oh, very well, thank you. Going to be a lot o waith i wneud.
Wow.
Oes, lot o waith. So, yn Holdes Pas, gwan, dwi'n mynd i afal yni, a mynd i wneud gwaith fi gyd yn barod erbyn, pa bryd mae'n gorfod bod i fewn, May. So, May the 6th, mae'r gwaith gyd yn gorfod bod i fewn, so erbyn hynna, fydda di gorffan gobeithio.
Wow, May the 6th?
Yeah, erbyn hynna, Star Wars. Yeah, diwrnod Star Wars. Is it May the 6th?
I think so, yeah.
Think it is. How long did you work in Caib?
Dwi'n bod yn gweithio Caib yn amser hir rwan, so I think it's 14 years.
Wow.
Yeah,
14
amser
years.
hir
That's
iawn.
when we were little, yeah, mate?
Yeah.
Oh. 14 years even.
If you were on the island for 48 hours, which 5 things do you take with you and why?
First thing would be chocolate, because I can't go any night without any chocolate. Ail beth sy'n i'n mynd ydy pillow fi, cos dwi'n licio cysgu fo pillow fi. A tent, cos dwi'n eisiau bugs o dara fi de. 3 peth yna de, be arall, ffôn fi, cos dwi'n licio gotcha TikTok yn os. A dŵr, cos dwi'n eisiau fod eisiau ddiod de.
Water's the most important one, yeah, Dylan?
Yeah, water. Yeah.
Definitely.
Where's your favourite place to visit and why?
Wel, dych chi'n lle dwi'n gorau mynd bob nos bron iawn. Skate park Llangefni.
Ah.
Mae plant fi wrth i bodd am i skate park Llangefni. A scooters no. Ond swn i'n gael bod ben fy hun, lan y môr. Dwi'n modd yn di lan y môr.
You, Dylan, and Ethan went to the skate park last Wednesday, didn't you?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, with Tommy.
My kids love going to the skate park on their scooters.
What is your favourite takeaway?
Favourite fi, definitely the Chinese.
Ooh.
Ag ordor fi ydy Swiss sour chicken, Hong Kong style, efo sauce, dim yn y batter.
Yeah.
Egg fried rice, soft noodles,
You're making me hungry.
Oh, yeah.
spring rolls, a hoisin sauce.
What big are your awesome?
Sweet and sour chicken with chips and rice on prawn crackers.
Oh yeah, chips, you can have a chips. Oh my god, I've done spicy chips,
Yeah.
salt pepper chips.
Mine's jumbo sausage, curry sauce, egg fried rice and some chips. What's your order, Dylan?
Pineapple with chicken and chips.
Oh, nice.
Oh, lovely.
What about you, Ethan?
Fish and chips.
We're talking about Chinese here. What's your Chinese order, Ethan?
Breaded chicken balls. It's like 2 weeks earlier.
Oh, chicken balls.
lovely.
That's nice.
Nice. What would your favourite cake?
Favourite cake fi ydy Victoria Sponge o bread basket Holyhead.
Oh,
Yeah, lovely.
mine has to be chocolate cake. What's your favourite cake, Dylan?
Chocolate cake.
Oh, nice. What about you, Ethan?
Red velvet.
Oh, good choice.
Oh, red velvet. Another good choice there. What about you, Awesome?
Chocolate fudge cake.
Oh,
Ice
nice.
cream, ta cream.
Custard.
Custard. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
very nice.
Yeah.
Are you going on any holiday this year?
I don't think I'm going on any holiday this year, actually. We might go to Haven in Pwllheli. Have you been there? Dych chi wedi bod yna?
Yes.
Yeah,
I
it's good
haven't.
there. Na ddo? Mae'n dda, mae'n dda.
I did it.
You
Been
went.
there.
Did you go, Dylan?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good
Been
there,
there.
isn't it?
Yes.
What be your favourite holiday, Ethan?
Blackpool.
Oh, Blackpool. What do you do in Blackpool?
Went on the tram, see the illuminations, went up the Blackpool Tower.
What about you, Dawn?
Haven.
Haven.
Haven, yeah.
You, Awesome?
Really, I like everywhere.
Os ydw wedi bod ar aeroplan yma?
Os o'n has.
Do, i lle sydd wedi bod?
Stockholm, Lisbon, Budapest, Belfast.
Wow!
A dwi'n mynd i Poland, Belgium a Greece.
Oh, braf.
Flwyddyn yma. Yeah.
I've been to Dublin last Wednesday. How many I go on? I'm not sure.
Ar y cwch?
Yeah.
Fai ti nath o gymryd i chi fynd ar y cwch?
3 hours.
Wow, wee.
Where do you want to go on holiday, Dion?
Oh, that would be somewhere in Dublin.
Ie? Da chi licio mynd i llefydd poeth? Ta da chi well rloer?
Mix of that, yeah.
Yeah.
Go on, not on.
Yeah.
Want to go to Iceland, Ethan?
No, unless you're talking about the shop chain, I would definitely do that.
I would go to the country with you, Roger.
Yeah,
What about you, Don?
Yeah.
You, Ethan?
No.
Shop or country?
Shop.
Just to the shop.
Yeah.
Oh, the shop in town.
I see. Yeah.
It's your first album you bought.
Oh, gosh. First album fi. Dwi'n cofio be oedd o blynyddoedd yn dol. Woolworths yn Bangor. Dwi'n meddwl na Martine McCutcheon. Sa chi'n cofio hi?
Na.
Dech chi'r ifanc a dwi'n rei hen.
We don't even remember Woolworths either, no?
No.
Woolworths are still going on in Australia, aren't they, Ethan?
Mm-hmm.
You're the good one at geography, aren't you?
Yeah. Have you been to any concerts recently?
No, I haven't, but I did go to Manchester 2 weeks ago to watch a live motocross show. Yeah, with the kids. It was really, really good. In the, what's the place in Manchester called? AO Arena?
Yeah.
AO
Arena.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Oedd o'n really, really da. Ac yn y tân yna. Oedden nhw'n jumpio trwy hoops. Oedd o'n really da.
Oh.
You've been to live concerts, haven't you, Rosham?
Yes.
Who did you go to see?
I've been a lot of concerts.
Pa'n o favourite chdi?
Like, I've been to every concert that you can think of, but I think I would pick Lottery Winners, the last one, and the 2 other groups that are supporting the group, because it's very rock.
Wow.
Yeah.
Rock music to the cat.
Yeah.
You've been to see Bruce Springsteen, haven't you?
Yeah, Bruce Springsteen.
Wow.
Yeah. Our final question we've got here for you today is, which song would you like to end the show off with today?
Please, Gai, favourite can Cymraeg fi, Tu ar y mynydd, Maharishi. Please.
Cewch.
Diolch yn
We'll
fawr.
finish off with Maharishi with Tu ar y mynydd. And we will see you next week for another edition of Radio Camp for week 25. It's bye from me, Guillaume.
Awesome.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
And it's bye from everyone here at Radio Camp. And we'll see you next week for week 25. Take care for now.
Mi'n godro, titha'n cwcio, byw efo'n gilydd, ond tu ar y mynydd dim ond fi. A fi, fi'n tyfu tatws, ti'n neu fi'n hapus, byw efo'n gilydd, ond tu ar y mynydd dim ond fi. A fi, na fy'n am ffrio dim ond cytuno stoed i fyw efo mi. Fydd y fam wedi sio mi, dy dad yn gwaredu ond oed i fyw efo mi. Gerdded ydw i ond wedi sweldu, Wynwant neddwyd fi'n siŵr mai ti di'r un i mi. A mi ti. So fy'n am ffrio dim ond cytuno stoed i fyw efo mi. Fydd y fam wedi sio mi, dy dad yn gwaredu ond oed i fyw efo mi. baswado Tama to kaka Farin I hanarin I me Aflafliti Na bilang fria det man kutina støjde I bewe var me Vitte vam wet I shame Det daten kvarette jeg døjde Bewe var me Bilang fria det man kutina støjde I bewe var me Vitte vam wet I shame Det daten kvarette jeg døjde Bewe var me
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Caib, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
To Radio Caib, Radio Caib. You're listening to Radio Caib, Radio Caib.